Good afternoon. This is my submission for my video format test 2. And in this recording, I will be going over the 2 steps in meiosis. So starting off, in meiosis 1, we have prophase 1, in which a pair of homologous chromosomes line up and form a tetrad. This is the stage during which genetic recombination occurs. Right here to the right, you can see prophase 1, where the homologous chromosomes line up. Next, we have metaphase 1, during which the homologous chromosomes line up opposite each other at the metaphase plate. The chromosomes orientate themselves randomly, thus homologous chromosomes are distributed randomly to daughter cells. If you look to the right, we have metaphase 1. And right here you can see where the chromosomes they kind of mix up. Next, we have anaphase 1. Anaphase 1, homologous chromosomes move to opposite sides of the cell, but sister chromatids remain together. Each cell now has 23 chromosomes. To the right, see we have anaphase 1. You see the homologous chromosomes have moved to one side. And now we're getting into telophase 1, in which the homologous chromosomes move to the poles and cytokinesis occurs. 2 daughter cells are formed. Right here you can see telophase 1 right here. Now we're moving on to meiosis 2. Meiosis 2, starting off with prophase 1. During prophase 2, chromosomes start to move to the metaphase 2 plate. There is no replication. Next we have metaphase 2, when the chromosomes align at the metaphase 2 plate. It's right here. Next, we have anaphase 2. The sister chromatids separate from each other and move towards opposite poles. That is this right here. You can see they start to separate. And lastly, in telophase 2, cytokinesis occurs again, and the 4 daughter cells are produced. Each of the 4 daughter cells has 23 chromosomes. And this right here is the final product. These are the 4 daughter cells you get at the end of both meiosis 1 and meiosis 2.